Down I go. Here, get this. You can film it. Well, help me.
You said film it.
Well, you can still help me. Oh, Lord knows what I'm laying in.
I'm holding on to it.
Okay. And that's why you bring extra clothes.
Okay. Yeah, I know what to tell the video now. Old man falls in forest.
Jesus, I landed right in a thorn patch.
That's funny.
It was pretty funny. Before. We're trying somewhere new.
Okay.
Where is it at?
I don't know.
What's it called at least?
I don't know.
What did we talk about last night?
You talking about going hiking?
But where to? Plane crash.
Oh yeah, the place with the...
We're going to the plane crash.
Yeah. I couldn't remember.
Stay tuned. Look at the fog up here. Hey guys, if you use the All Trails app, here's the information for where we're at Water Rock Knob.
All the fig Newtons, you know?
Rough butt. All right.
I think I'll probably stupidest stuff.
Here's the trailhead to where we're going. You ready?
Yep.
It ain't gonna be that long a hike, I don't think.
Okay.
We've done a lot worse.
Yeah. Way.
In a lot worse conditions.
Yep.
It is a little windy and rainy, and
I really don't like recording when it's windy, you know, because it makes the audio sound weird, you know.
right. It's pretty foggy too. So. Oh, good Lord. There's the Overlook. Can't really see a lot. Time to take a breather. We are out of shape. I ain't gonna bullshit you. Next leg. Still climbing. Still climbing. We have left the comfort and ease of the paved trail. How you doing back here? You good?
And I love you.
So how you feel so far?
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
You gonna keep going?
Yeah.
We're gonna make it to the plane crash?
Yeah.
All right. We'll let some of those hikers get a little further up, and then we'll continue on, because we'll probably catch them pretty quick. Here, hold this. You're recording.
Okay. Just
Now you're recording up your nose.
seeing if there are any bats in the cave. Are there any?
Yeah, I see a couple.
Oh. Yeah.
How about right here? Let's go this way. Into the jungles of Borneo to find the little pygmy people of Haywood County. Nice. That's a pretty well marked trail. Just be careful. Yeah.
That's you, right? Yeah.
Let's go. There's the dot. Let's go. Be careful. A lot of mud, Cameron. You okay? I know. Just be careful.
I think this is one to pass the road go up on and down.
Well, we have to come back up it.
And vice versa, what we've been doing recently. You know?
Yep.
More of a pain to get down, you know? Oh, I hate this path. My main man.
I just don't see dots.
What about up here?
Yeah, this trail's pretty worn right here. So we're at the top. We made it to the top of the ridge line. We're at a split in the trail, and I think someone's been nice enough to mark our way.
Or somebody tricked us.
Or someone's tricked us, which would be a real dick move. Well, let's try down through here.
I saw something white. This back where we started?
No.
Probably been here before.
No, it just looks like it. Problem is I don't see any markings. Ooh.
Maybe the people marking it just didn't realize they weren't marking it.
Oh, I found it.
Really?
I see it. Yeah, come on. I see it. Yeah, there it is. Now, remember, let's be respectful because this is a plane crash.
Yeah.
And people did lose their life here, so let's just be respectful, check it out, and move on, okay? But it is something to come see and check out, you know? It's still pretty slick getting down in here. Damn. It's hard to find words or something like that, ain't it?
Yeah.
Let's check it out. There's part of the wing. You know what's amazing to me is it's been here this long and it has this much of a debris field and people haven't taken stuff. I mean, I'm sure people's taken something,
Like
but like I see pieces of plane that people could carry out of here and they haven't messed with it, which is nice. I mean, you still got some of the douchebags that vandalize it and spray paint it, but it's kind of nice to see that people's left a lot of it alone that's been scattered, you know. I mean, look, the wreckage goes another 50 yards down in the woods.
So, it like turned when it crashed? And, like, just...
I don't know the actual path it took. I know they were flying low and it was fog like this that caused it, but I'm not sure. It doesn't look like it rolled any because the wings are still attached. So
the debris looks like it did for some reason.
It may have hit and turned. Like it came in this way.
Maybe spun, because look at the wing right there. It looks like bent like something.
Yeah, well, you can see it looked like it's hit a tree and spun in the orientation that it's in, coming from this direction, because that's the debris field, and it's coming uphill. So it came in this way.
Little areas on the wings. Storage?
Storage, and that's part of the engine.
Oh. I can understand when somebody would take a small piece of metal, but I don't.
Well, here's my take on it. I don't believe in I don't believe in spirits are being cursed, but I think that if you take a piece of wreckage from a crash, that's just bad juju. I'm not doing it. I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna pay respect to it. I'm gonna say a little prayer for them, and then I'm gonna move on.
I don't get why you would vandalize it.
Just people leaving their mark on it. People wanting to do their thing, you know. I kind of want to go inside of it, but I don't want to get cut or have an injury way up here. It's crazy. There has been a lot of it stripped away, like seats and instrument panels and stuff. Do what?
I don't know what caused these puncture wounds.
Well, we made it to our destination, the famous plane crash. You want to say anything? A little prayer to the people that lost their life here. You know, it's a cool destination to come to and check out. You know, just be respectful. You know, don't tear it up any more than it is. But you know, it's a cool hike. I recommend it. It can be pretty tough at times, but if you're remotely capable, you can make it here. It's not too bad. So.
And if you're willing to.
Yeah, and if you're willing to. So.
Yeah, I see some tiny pieces of metal.
We're gonna say goodbye to the crash for now.
I remember this area.
Do what?
I remember this area.
Yeah.
Just look for that rock right there.
Doing a fine job.
Oh, I thought the video was here. More familiar.
Down I go. Here, get this. You can film it. Well, help me.
You said film it.
Well, you can still help me. Oh, Lord knows what I'm laying in.
I'm holding on to it.
Okay. And that's why you bring extra clothes.
Okay. Yeah, I know what to tell the video now. Old man falls in forest.
Jesus, I landed right in a thorn patch.
That's funny.
It was pretty funny.
I turned to the camera and said that. I'm sorry. I was starting to freak out when you were falling. I was like, no.
Oh, shit. Hell, it happens. I ain't worried about it. So that was...
I thought you were just going to fall back.
Look, I landed right on that briar patch.
Oh, okay.
I can feel it.
If that log wasn't there, you
I can feel it on the back of my arms now.
Yeah, I see one of them.
Is it sticking out?
It's not really sticking out. It's just...
Let's see if I got a briar, pull it out of my arm. Come on, mud dauber, let's go.
You fell. Okay?
Okay, I fell, but you look like you just ran through a mud field, so come on.
Well, I'm just trying to get through here.
Come on, it's all easy from here. Man, it's still really foggy up here. I thought it started to burn off by now.
Yeah, you still haven't got the render distance up yet.
They really need to work on that.
Yeah. Need to add more disc space, you know. Stop working on the details and put more on